In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project plan in ClickUp. ClickUp is a powerful project management tool that helps you organize your tasks, collaborate with teams, and streamline your workflow. Let's dive right in. First, we'll start by accessing ClickUp. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the ClickUp website. If you haven't already created an account, you'll need to sign up. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the ClickUp dashboard, which serves as your command center for all things related to project management. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Spaces section. Spaces in ClickUp act like the different departments or categories within your workspace, helping to keep everything neatly organized. Once you're in the Spaces section, look for the plus sign. Clicking on this sign will initiate the process of creating a new space, which will house your upcoming project plan. With the new space open, the next step is to take advantage of ClickUp's pre-made templates. Click on Use Templates. This feature is incredibly helpful as it provides you with a range of ready-to-go project plans you can easily customize to fit your needs. By leveraging a template, you can save a significant amount of time and ensure that your project plan includes all the essential elements from the get-go. Now, you can search for a template that aligns closely with your project requirements. Simply type in relevant keywords in the search bar within the templates area and browse through the available options. Once you find a template that suits your project or organizational needs, click on it to take a closer look. After reviewing the template and making sure it's the right fit, hit Use Template. At this stage, ClickUp will prompt you to name your space. Be thoughtful about the name, as it should be intuitive enough for you and your team to identify at a glance. Type in a name that clearly represents the project's scope or its main objective. With the space named, click Use Template once again to finalize the creation of your project plan within ClickUp. By doing this, ClickUp will automatically populate your new space with the structure defined by the chosen template, and any unique content or starting tasks included in the template will be ready for you to edit and customize. Finally, one of the great features in ClickUp is collaboration. Once your project plan is set up, you can start sharing it or adding team members. Simply go into the sharing settings and invite your teammates by typing in their email addresses. It's crucial to ensure everyone involved has access to the plan so that collaboration is smooth and efficient right from the start. And there you have it, a complete project plan up and running in ClickUp. From setting up spaces and choosing templates to adding team members, it's all about streamlining your workflow and enhancing productivity. Enjoy managing your projects more effectively with ClickUp. Happy planning.